Hey guys, to trade like a pro on Kraken, use the advanced features of the Kraken Pro platform or app, which include customizing your interface with various widgets, choosing from different order types like limit and stop loss orders, and using advanced trading options like margin, derivatives, futures, stocks, etc. Professional trading also involves market analysis to choose high liquidity trading pairs with large trading volume uh, and understanding the risk of margin trading. Okay. Once you understand and use the advanced order, start executing a trade, buying or selling, right? So I'm gonna choose one that's familiar. Yeah, right here. All right, choose the order type, limit or market, enter the amount, and if you're feeling lucky, just turn on the margin 10x to borrow money, betting that the market will go up or go down, and you're gonna take profit off of it. All right, and also set that TP and SL to stop the bleeding or take the profits from the top or bottom. All right. Stop loss market order triggers a market order when the price drops to specified level, while a stop loss limit order triggers a limit order at a specified price. When using a stop loss limit order, for example, ensure the limit price is close to the trigger price to increase the chance of execution. All right. So basically, that's what you need to understand before you start trading like a pro. Focus on the focus on market analysis and risk management. High trading volume generally indicates greater liquidity, which can lead to less slippage. The difference between the expected and the executed price, that's the slippage. Analyze the order book. The order book shows all open buy and sell orders. A large number of orders at a specific price can indicate a support or resistance level. When trading with margin, constantly monitor your margin health to avoid liquidation of your positions. So let me know the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.